Alright, so we're gonna be in my kitchen, and we're gonna learn how to make eggs and toast. So the ingredients for this is 2 eggs, 2 pieces of bread, pan, and cooking spray. Right now I'm grabbing a pan. Put it on your stove, set it to about just low temp. Grab your cooking spray and spray it all around the pan, so that way the eggs don't stick to the pan. Grab your eggs. I'm grabbing my brand of eggs. It's Eggland eggs. I'm grabbing 2, but you can grab as many as you want. Now, an easier way to do this is to crack it in a bowl, but I'm cracking it straight on the pan because I've done this so many times. Alright, now we'll come back to that later. Right now I'm going to throw the eggshells away and put the eggs back and grab my 2 pieces of toast. Now, I'm not really sure what kind of toast this is, or bread, sorry, but please grab your bread from the fridge. Now we're going to put it in my toaster and set it for about 330. Bread back. I'm going to grab my spatula. Spatula is made for eggs. Now we're going to go back to our eggs, and it should be about ready, so we're going to flip them. I'm going to turn the stove off and then let it cook for a little bit longer without the stove on. I'm going to grab our plate, put the eggs on the plate, grab your toast when it's ready. And for today, I'm going to be using peanut butter, because I love the extra protein on my toast. So I'm going to grab my butter knife. And I'm going to grab my peanut butter. I'm using just the regular peanut butter Skippies. I think it's creamy type. Then I just spread it on. I don't do too much, but I do it enough so it's on both toasts. A little nice arc shot at the end. And that's how you make your eggs. Toast.